Welcome friends, welcome back to the top 40 Azure interview questions and answer. So the first question is, what is Microsoft Azure? Let's see the answer. Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing platform offering a wide range of services including computing, analytics, storage, and networking. Users can build, deploy, and manage applications through Microsoft Managed Data Centers. It supports various programming languages, frameworks, and tools. Azure services can be used individually or together to create scalable, reliable applications. Let's move to the second question. What are Azure Virtual Machines? Let's see the answer. Azure Virtual Machines, VMs, are scalable computing resources that can be used for various tasks like development, testing, and production workloads. VMs provide full control over the operating system and applications. They support Windows and Linux operating systems and offer various configurations for CPU, memory, and storage. VMs can be easily scaled up or down based on demand. Let's move to the third question. What is Azure App Service? Let's see the answer. Azure App Service is a fully managed platform for building, deploying, and scaling web apps and APIs. It supports multiple programming languages including .NET, Java, Node, JS, and Python. App Service provides built-in features such as auto-scaling, security, and load balancing. It integrates with various development tools for continuous integration and deployment. Let's move to the fourth question. What is Azure Blob Storage? Let's see the answer. Azure Blob Storage is a service for storing large amounts of unstructured data such as text or binary data. Blobs are optimized for storing massive amounts of data that can be accessed from anywhere. It supports different storage tiers like hot, cool, and archive to optimize cost and performance. Blob storage is commonly used for serving documents, images, and videos. Let's move to the fifth question. What is Azure Functions? Let's see the answer. Azure Functions is a serverless compute service that allows you to run small pieces of code, functions, without managing infrastructure. Functions can be triggered by various events such as HTTP requests, database changes, or messages in a queue. It scales automatically based on demand and supports various programming languages. Azure Functions enables rapid development and deployment of event-driven applications. Let's move to the sixth question. What is Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS? Let's see the answer. Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, simplifies the deployment, management, and operations of Kubernetes in Azure. AKS handles critical tasks like health monitoring and maintenance for you. It provides integrated CI/CD capabilities for efficient application delivery. AKS allows you to scale applications easily and securely manage containers in production. Let's move to the seventh question. What is Azure Bot Service? Let's see the answer. Azure Bot Service provides tools and services for building and deploying intelligent bots. It supports integration with various channels like Microsoft Teams, Slack, and Facebook Messenger. Bot Service uses AI and natural language processing to enable bots to understand and respond to user interactions. It provides tools for testing, deployment, and monitoring of bot applications. Let's move to the eighth question. What is Azure DevOps? Let's see the answer. Azure DevOps provides a set of development tools for software teams to plan, develop, test, and deliver applications. It includes services like Azure Repos, Azure Pipelines, Azure Boards, Azure Test Plans, and Azure Artifacts. Azure DevOps supports continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD, to streamline application delivery. It integrates with various development environments and tools for enhanced productivity. Let's move to the ninth question. What is Azure Active Directory, AAD? Let's see the answer. Azure Active Directory, AAD, is a cloud-based identity and access management service. It provides single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, and conditional access to secure users and data. AAD integrates with on-premises Active Directory and supports thousands of SaaS applications. It helps manage identities and access in a secure and scalable manner. Let's move to the 10th question. What is Azure Virtual Network, VNet? Let's see the answer. Azure Virtual Network, VNet, is a fundamental building block for private network communications in Azure. It allows you to securely connect Azure resources to each other, the internet, and on-premises networks. VNets provide isolation, segmentation, and security for Azure resources. You can create subnets, route tables, and network security groups to control traffic flow. Let's move to the 11th question. What is Azure Resource Manager, ARM? Let's see the answer. Azure Resource Manager, ARM, is the deployment and management service for Azure. It provides a consistent management layer that enables you to create, update, and delete resources in your Azure subscription. ARM uses declarative templates for resource deployment and supports tagging and role-based access control (RBAC) for better resource management. It ensures that resources are deployed in a consistent state. Let's move to the 12th question. What is Azure Cosmos DB? Let's see the answer. Azure Cosmos DB is a globally distributed, multi-model database service. It offers turnkey global distribution, elastic scalability, and low latency. Cosmos DB supports multiple data models, including key value, graph, column family, and document databases. It provides strong consistency options, comprehensive SLAs, and integration with Azure services for building scalable applications. Let's move to the 13th question. What is Azure Traffic Manager? Let's see the answer. Azure Traffic Manager is a DNS-based traffic load balancer that distributes traffic across multiple endpoints globally. It improves availability and responsiveness by routing traffic to the nearest or best-performing endpoint based on various routing methods. Traffic Manager supports automatic failover and geographic routing. It integrates with Azure services and on-premises systems for hybrid scenarios. Let's move to the 14th question. What is Azure Data Factory? Let's see the answer. Azure Data Factory is a cloud-based data integration service that orchestrates and automates data movement and transformation. It enables the creation of data-driven workflows for moving data between on-premises and cloud sources. Data Factory supports ETL, extract, transform, load, processes and integrates with various data stores and services. It provides monitoring, scheduling, and management of data pipelines. Let's move to the 15th question. What is Azure Site Recovery? Let's see the answer. Azure Site Recovery, ASR, is a disaster recovery service that ensures business continuity by replicating workloads to a secondary location. It supports replication of on-premises physical servers and virtual machines to Azure or another data center. ASR enables seamless failover and failback, minimizing downtime during outages. It provides automated recovery plans and integration with Azure services. Let's move to the 16th question. What is Azure Application Gateway? Let's see the answer. Azure Application Gateway is a web traffic load balancer that manages traffic to web applications. It provides application-level routing, SSL termination, and Web Application Firewall (WAF) capabilities. Application Gateway supports URL-based routing, session affinity, and auto-scaling. It ensures high availability and security for web applications hosted in Azure. Let's move to the 17th question. What is Azure Monitor? Let's see the answer. Azure Monitor provides full-stack monitoring and diagnostics for Azure resources and applications. It collects metrics, logs, and traces to provide insights into the performance and health of your resources. Azure Monitor integrates with other Azure services for alerting, visualization, and automated actions. It helps you proactively identify and resolve issues to ensure optimal performance. Let's move to the 18th question. What is Azure Key Vault? Let's see the answer. Azure Key Vault is a cloud service for securely storing and accessing secrets, keys, and certificates. It helps protect sensitive information by providing secure storage and management capabilities. Key Vault integrates with Azure services and applications to control access and manage secrets. It supports automated key rotation, auditing, and compliance features. Let's move to the 19th question. What is Azure API Management? Let's see the answer. Azure API Management is a service for publishing, securing, and analyzing APIs. It allows you to create API gateways that provide a centralized interface for managing API requests. API Management supports features like throttling, caching, and access control. It provides insights into API usage and performance, helping you optimize and secure your APIs. Let's move to the 20th question. What is Azure Event Hub? Let's see the answer. Azure Event Hub is a highly scalable data streaming platform and event ingestion service. It can process millions of events per second, making it suitable for big data and analytics scenarios. Event Hub captures and stores event data for real-time processing or batch processing. It integrates with various Azure services for building end-to-end data pipelines. Let's move to the 21st question. What is Azure Service Fabric? Let's see the answer. Azure Service Fabric is a distributed systems platform for building and managing scalable microservices and container-based applications. It provides orchestration, state management, and lifecycle management for applications. Service Fabric supports both stateless and stateful microservices. It ensures high availability and resilience for complex, distributed applications. Let's move to the 22nd question. What is Azure Batch? Let's see the answer. Azure Batch is a cloud service that provides large-scale parallel and high-performance computing. It allows you to run parallel workloads efficiently by automatically scaling and managing the execution of tasks. Batch supports various programming models and integrates with Azure services for data storage and processing. It is ideal for compute-intensive workloads like simulations and data processing. Let's move to the 23 question. What is Azure Cognitive Services? Let's see the answer. Azure Cognitive Services are a collection of APIs and services that enable developers to add intelligent features to their applications. They include capabilities like vision, speech, language understanding, and decision-making. Cognitive services use machine learning models to provide natural language processing, image recognition, and more. They simplify the integration of AI into applications. Let's move to the 24 question. What is Azure Logic Apps? Let's see the answer. Azure Logic Apps is a cloud service that helps you automate workflows and integrate apps, data, services, and systems across organizations. It provides a visual designer to configure workflows without writing code. Logic Apps support a wide range of connectors to integrate with various services and systems. They enable efficient automation of business processes. Let's move to the 25 question. What is Azure Event Grid? Let's see the answer. Azure Event Grid is a fully managed event routing service that enables event-driven architectures. It provides a centralized service to manage events from various sources and route them to multiple destinations. Event Grid supports filtering and reliable delivery of events. It integrates with Azure services and custom applications to enable real-time event handling. Let's move to the 26th question. What is Azure Synapse Analytics? Let's see the answer. Azure Synapse Analytics is an integrated analytics service that combines big data and data warehousing. It enables data ingestion, preparation, management, and analysis from a single interface. Synapse Analytics supports SQL and Spark for querying and processing data. It provides insights and intelligence to drive data-driven decisions. Let's move to the 27 question. What is Azure Data Lake Storage? Let's see the answer. Azure Data Lake Storage is a scalable and secure data lake for high-performance analytics workloads. It provides a hierarchical namespace to manage and organize data efficiently. Data Lake Storage integrates with Azure services for data ingestion, processing, and analysis. It supports big data frameworks like Hadoop and Spark for large-scale data processing. Let's move to the 28 question. What is Azure SQL Database? Let's see the answer. Azure SQL Database is a fully managed relational database service built on Microsoft SQL Server. It offers high availability, scalability, and security for database applications. SQL Database supports automated backups, patching, and updates. It integrates with Azure services for data analytics and application development. Let's move to the 29 question. What is Azure Cosmos DB? Let's see the answer. Azure Cosmos DB is a globally distributed, multi-model database service that offers high availability, low latency, and elastic scalability. It supports various data models, including document, key value, graph, and column family. Cosmos DB provides comprehensive SLAs for throughput, latency, consistency, and availability. It integrates with Azure services for building scalable applications. Let's move to the 30 question. What is Azure Stream Analytics? Let's see the answer. Azure Stream Analytics is a real-time analytics service that processes and analyzes streaming data from various sources. It allows you to write SQL-like queries to process data and extract insights. Stream Analytics supports integration with Azure Event Hubs, IoT Hub, and other data sources. It provides real-time dashboards and alerts for monitoring data streams. Let's move to the 31 question. What is Azure Container Instances ACI? Let's see the answer. Azure Container Instances ACI is a service that allows you to run containers without managing virtual machines or orchestrators. It provides rapid deployment and scaling of containers with per-second billing. ACI supports Docker containers and integrates with Azure services for networking and storage. It is ideal for simple, stateless container workloads. Let's move to the 32 question. What is Azure Blueprints? Let's see the answer. Azure Blueprints enable cloud architects to define a repeatable set of Azure resources that implement and adhere to an organization's standards, patterns, and requirements. They provide templates for deployment of resources, policies, and role assignments. Blueprints ensure consistency and compliance across multiple environments. They streamline the deployment and governance of Azure resources. Let's move to the 33 question. What is Azure API Management? Let's see the answer. Azure API Management is a service that helps you publish, secure, and analyze APIs. It provides a gateway for managing API requests and supports features like throttling, caching, and access control. Microsoft Managed Data Centers. API management offers insights into API usage and performance, helping you optimize and secure your APIs. It integrates with various development tools and services for efficient API management. Let's move to the 34th question. What is Azure Sentinel? Let's see the answer. Azure Sentinel is a cloud-native security information and event management (CM) solution that provides intelligent security analytics and threat intelligence. It helps detect, investigate, and respond to security threats across the enterprise. Sentinel integrates with various data sources for comprehensive security monitoring. It uses AI and automation to reduce response times and improve threat detection. Let's move to the 35th question. What is Azure Policy? Let's see the answer. Azure Policy is a service that enables you to create, assign, and manage policies to enforce compliance across your Azure resources. Policies help you govern resource properties and ensure they comply with organizational standards. Azure Policy provides real-time evaluation and remediation of non-compliant resources. It integrates with Azure management and monitoring tools for comprehensive governance. Let's move to the 36th question. What is Azure Load Balancer? Let's see the answer. Azure Load Balancer distributes incoming network traffic across multiple virtual machines or services to ensure high availability and reliability. It supports both public and internal load balancing scenarios. Load Balancer provides automatic reconfiguration and failover to maintain service continuity. It integrates with Azure services for scalable and resilient application delivery. Let's move to the 37th question. What is Azure Data Lake Analytics? Let's see the answer. Azure Data Lake Analytics is a distributed analytics service that processes data on a large scale. It allows you to write SQL code to process data and extract insights. Data Lake Analytics provides on-demand scalability and cost-effective data processing. It integrates with Azure Data Lake Storage and other data sources for comprehensive data analysis. Let's move to the 38th question. What is Azure Traffic Manager? Let's see the answer. Azure Traffic Manager is a DNS-based traffic load balancer that distributes traffic across multiple endpoints globally. It improves availability and responsiveness by routing traffic to the nearest or best-performing endpoint based on various routing methods. Traffic Manager supports automatic failover and geographic routing. It integrates with Azure services and on-premises systems for hybrid scenarios. Let's move to the 39th question. What is Azure Time Series Insights? Let's see the answer. Azure Time Series Insights is an analytics, storage, and visualization service for managing time series data. It enables real-time and historical data analysis for IoT and other data sources. Time Series Insights provides tools for data exploration, anomaly detection, and trend analysis. It integrates with Azure IoT Hub and Event Hubs for seamless data ingestion. Let's move to the 40th question. What is Azure IoT Hub? Let's see the answer. Azure IoT Hub is a managed service that provides bidirectional communication between IoT applications and devices. It supports device-to-cloud and cloud-to-device messaging, device management, and security features. IoT Hub integrates with other Azure services for data processing, analytics, and visualization. It helps build scalable and secure IoT solutions.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.